Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Vibe and Verdict. Take note, the videos and photos shared here belong to their rightful owners. All credit and appreciation go to them. Now, let's get started. Hi mga dabarkads! Good news! Si Jerome Everdome ay opisyal na nominee sa Gawad America Awards 2025. Nagaganapin sa Hollywood, California this coming November 22. I'm sure you two are so excited like me. So, eto na nga. Paano siya makarating doon? Anong pang events ang nakaabang? At ano ang maibabahagi nating aral sa tagumpay na ito? Samahan ninyo akong himayin ang kwento sa loob ng 2 hanggang 3 minuto dahil siguradong hindi mo ito gusto ma-miss. Ano nga ba ang Gawad America Awards? Gawad America Awards Foundation, established noon 1996 bilang bahagi ng civic mission nito. Then, since 2002, ginaganap ang formal award night every third week of November. Every year, nominations started every January 15th and end by August 31st. So, paano napasama bilang nominee si Jerome Everdome? Dito ilahad ang credentials ni Jerome. Anong achievements, projects, advocacies ang nagpapakita of his qualification for the nomination? So what's the significance and implications of this event? Hindi lang personal na karangalan para kay Jerome, it's also represent us, Filipinos. Exposure din ito for a bigger audience, possibility of more and big projects. Maari din itong makapagbigay inspiration sa mga kabataang may pangarap in music industry or whatever path or ambitions na gusto nila. The nomination of Jerome is not only about medal or trophy, ito ay patunay na ang sipag, dedikasyon, kredibilidad at paninindigan sa sariling gawain ay kayang magdala sa atin sa pinakamalalaking entablado. Entablado na nang simula sa Itbulaga TV stage of The Clone, Ka-Voice of the Stars segment, kung saan una siyang nakilala at hinangaan. Let's listen to Jerome's message about the said event.
Greetings everyone, this is Jerome Everdome, the clone of Elvis Presley here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa Gawad America for this recognition, especially po kay Sir Joey Sarmiento and the OG course, Sir Charles Simbulan, the founder of Gawad America. Mabuhay po kayo. People all over the world, especially who believe in my talents. Makakaasa po kayo, lalo ko pang pagbubutihan, and I will give my best to inspire more people all over the world. And congratulations for 24th year Gawad America Awards Night in Hollywood. Mabuhay ang Gawad America, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you very much.
So what we learned, huwag mawala sa inyong pangarap. Kahit gaano pa kalayo o gaano kahirap ang laban, patuloy lang. At sa bawat hakbang, huwag kalimutang ipagmalaki ang inyong komunidad until you've been recognized to your chosen industry. Kaya sama-sama nating suportahan si Jerome Everdome to his journey hanggang sa Hollywood at abangan ang gabi ng Gawad America Awards 2025. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your comment is also appreciated. Hanggang dito na lamang. Until next time. Thank you.